Hello everyone! So for today's lunch, we will eat
Ampalaya.
ampalaya
With
or
egg.
bitter melon.
Yes.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
It's a bit bitter.
Yes.
But
It's very healthy, especially if it's for the redness of the blood.
it helps manage your blood sugar and reduce your cholesterol.
Yes. It can be mixed with a lot of dishes, but mostly this is the very popular cooked dish. The one where they put sometimes meat or egg.
So it is very easy to cook. They just eat it.
Okay, then you add the ampalaya. Then you can add some seasoning. Then you can finally add either small meat or just egg.
And also with tomatoes.
Yeah, sometimes there are chances that you might want to add tomato for more flavor.
We call this ginisang ampalaya.
With ginisa meat sote in English.
We also have the ginisang kamatis, like this, with egg and tomato. But this one, ginisang ampalaya. So, the main dish is the ampalaya and egg. And they just add tomatoes to add some flavor and aroma of the dish.
Yes. You can eat with rice or not.
Good for diet.
Yes, very very. You should try to cook for your cup and have it for lunch, especially if you're on a diet.
So good.
Delicious.
If the ampalaya is half cooked, it's better.
Actually, it depends on how you cook the ampalaya.
So yeah, you can try this ginisang ampalaya. So that's all for today's video. See you again next time. Bye bye.